In this video, we will tell you 12 secret money habits to become rich by 2023. So now let's start. 1. Utilize discounts and coupons. When it's time to make a purchase, wealthy folks advise using discount coupons. Another important money habit to start is doing your studies and determining what matches your budget. Millionaires offer this advice for food shopping, buy only when there are plenty of things available and at a good price. During the off-season, if you have the time and the room, store and preserve things. 2. Reduce your monthly living costs. Additionally, at home, you may create healthier financial habits. Examine your utility bills and look for methods to save costs, such as by using less water and electricity, or, if it's feasible, try to settle your medical debts. Make it a habit to plan your meals in advance to prevent wasting food, make a list of your grocery needs, and check prices to avoid going over budget. Additionally, if you think you are spending too much money on entertainment, look for free things to do as a family and reduce the amount of membership services you use seldom. If you want more videos related to finance, then do subscribe our channel. 3. Refrain from making emotional purchases. Instant satisfaction is made possible by bad money habits, and they tend to sate temporary desires. Reduce your emotional spending by refraining from going out when you're anxious or depressed, removing shopping apps, and leaving your credit card at home. If you feel the want to buy anything, give yourself a few days to consider it and evaluate your finances. 4. Find a person who can hold you accountable. Find someone who can keep you accountable if you are having trouble maintaining your motivation to work toward your objectives. That individual can be a close companion who can be tough on you, or they might be a financial counselor. Finding such a man or woman might be difficult, but it would benefit you in the long run. Don't make someone directly accountable. First observe him or her and then do. All these are okay, but the 11th tip is my most favorite and highly preferred. 5. Make a list of financial objectives. Make it a habit to write down a tangible list of your financial objectives if you learn best visually and are driven by minor victories. This might allow you to clearly grasp what has to be done and plan how you can accomplish your goals. 6. Put yourself first. You may still purchase items you want after making better financial decisions. If you do your research, it's possible to have fun without breaking the bank. Before spending money on your needs, pay off your bills and take care of yourself. Spending cash on the things we like is acceptable as long as it doesn't come at the price of our financial security or our efforts to escape the past by failing to make our debt payments. You are paying yourself by routinely checking your budget and saving money so you may have a brighter future. Enjoy the things you like, and take care of loved ones. 7. Assess your role models. It may be time to reconsider your role models if you find yourself striving to maintain a lifestyle that is beyond of your price range, or that of your friends and celebrities. Start a social media detox to stay away from purchasing impulses and surround yourself with individuals who will inspire you to begin developing better money management skills. 8. Think before you invest. Although investing may lead to financial freedom, it can also damage your money if done incorrectly. You shouldn't invest in anything unless you are certain that you understand it, according to Sir Warren Buffett. Before making that commitment, take the time to research investing and assess your spending. Make sure you're in solid financial position and know what you're doing, whether you want to invest for the long term or in cryptocurrencies. 9. Keep your expenses low. Living within your means is nothing more than spending less than you earn each month. You should always make an effort to spend less than you earn. If it's not possible and money is tight, attempt to cut back on non-essential expenditures to avoid going into too much debt. Living within your means can also be achieved by refraining from making speculative decisions. We all need to hold out hope that things will improve, but the worst financial habit is to live beyond your means, spending more than you earn in the mistaken belief that things have already improved. Wait until desired future consequences have actually occurred before basing your present choices on them. 10. Prepare for emergencies. Being ready in advance will ensure that you don't strain your money in the event of an emergency, which may strike anywhere and at any moment. Regularly add to your emergency fund, and set aside a portion of each salary for savings. Always carry enough life insurance to pay for your 10 years of living costs, your children's schooling, your mortgage, and any outstanding loans. The majority of specialists are aware that life may be unpredictable and difficult, which is why it's a good habit to prepare for emergencies. Try to anticipate the unforeseen requirements of family members, such as parents and siblings. Even though you might have to decline, accepting is far more satisfying. I would again like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 11. Determine the risks. Unlike the majority of the financial community, Warren Buffett assesses risk very differently. Risk is typically equated with volatility on Wall Street and in MBA schools throughout the nation. Buffett is in disagreement. The potential of losing your original investment, according to Buffett, is all that constitutes risk. And there is no way to minimize it through portfolio diversification, the use of options, or any other method. A binary choice is made while assuming risk. You can either choose to go or not. Buffett shies away from risky situations. 12. Eat at home more. Is it out of date? Yes, however, successful people with solid money habits often enjoy eating breakfast at home, preparing your own coffee, and carrying a lunch and snacks. This does not exclude you from ever going out to dine with friends, family, or a significant other. You will still save a lot of money and become more financially secure than ever before if you cook your meals at your house and brew your own coffee or tea. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new as well. If yes, then do subscribe our channel and also like this video. This small action motivates us a lot. If you have any query, then do comment below. Also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.